Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best products for every occasion. Today, we have something special that will elevate your Halloween decorations to a whole new level. Introducing the Sunlisky 8PC's Halloween Creepy Cloth, widely regarded as the best spider web fabric for creating an eerie atmosphere at your Halloween gatherings. This versatile set includes 8 pieces, 4 in black and 4 in white, each measuring 72 by 30 inches. Perfect for draping over furniture, covering windows, or hanging from ceilings. These creepy cloths are the go-to choice for anyone looking to transform their space into a spooky wonderland. The beauty of these creepy cloths lies in their flexibility. They're incredibly stretchy, making it easy to create dramatic effects as they flutter in the wind. You can cut them into smaller pieces to customize your decor, or use them as whole sheets for a more ghostly effect. Imagine this fabric draping over your porch, instantly setting the scene for trick-or-treaters or your Halloween party guests. The fabric is durable and soft, ensuring it hangs beautifully without any harsh edges. Cleanup is a breeze. Just fold and store them away for next year's festivities. Plus, they are lightweight and easy to store, making them an ideal addition to your Halloween arsenal. Whether you're planning a haunted house, a spooky dinner party, or simply want to enhance your home's Halloween vibe, the Sunlisky Creepy Cloths are perfect for DIY projects. You can hang them, stretch them, or even combine them with other decorations like bats and spiders for an extra creepy effect. These cloths are not only great for indoor use but also perfect for outdoor decorations. Create an invitingly eerie space in your garden or backyard to welcome guests and trick-or-treaters alike. With their lightweight nature, you won't have to worry about them blowing away in the breeze. Now, let's talk about quality. Made from high-quality polyester fabric, these cloths are built to last. They won't fade or lose their form, ensuring your Halloween setup looks great year after year. With no pungent smell and tight mesh construction, you can feel good about using them anywhere in your home. At a fantastic price of just $8.99, this set is a steal for anyone looking to enhance their Halloween decor without breaking the bank. Imagine the compliments you'll receive from your guests when they see the incredible transformation of your space. So, if you're ready to bring your Halloween vision to life, head to the link in the description below to get your Sunlisky Halloween Creepy Cloths today. Don't miss out on creating the spookiest environment possible this Halloween. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing product critiques. Happy Halloween and see you next time on Product Critique.